Before discussing Charles' law, let's see what is actually represented in this diagram. As we can see in this diagram, by keeping pressure and number of moles constant, we are just going to increase temperature of the gas molecules. By increasing temperature, the volume of the gas molecule increases. So, by keeping two variables, which variables? Number of moles and pressure constant, we can study the relationship between number of moles of volume and temperature. This diagram shows what? This diagram shows a direct relationship between volume and temperature of the gas molecules. So we can say that the volume of fixed amount of gas varies directly with absolute temperature at constant pressure. This is the definition for Charles' law. How we can express mathematical form of Charles' law? Charles' law can be expressed by the following mathematical expression. Volume is directly proportional to the temperature. This K represents a proportionality constant, or we can say that ratio between volume to temperature is always a constant value in case of Charles' law. This means what? It means if volume or temperature relationship is a direct relationship, it means if temperature increases, volume increases. If temperature decreases, volume decreases. This is the direct relationship between volume and temperature. The key point of Charles' law is that the value of temperature is the Kelvin temperature and K is a constant. The value of K depends only on the quantity of gas and the pressure. What it means? It means temperature in Charles' law is always taken in Kelvin scale. If it is given in Celsius scale, you need to convert that into Kelvin scale. This diagram further elaborates the relationship between volume and temperature by keeping pressure and number of moles constant. This diagram shows, the first diagram shows the temperature, which is T1, and constant pressure and number of moles. By increasing temperature from T1 to T2, you can see that the volume also increases from V1 to V2. This is the direct relationship between temperature and volume. This shows that if temperature increases, volume also increases. This table is actually experimental data collect from the experiment that shows if temperature increases from 273 to 373, the volume also increases from 1 to 1.37 decimeter cube. And if we further increase temperature from 373 to 473, the volume of the gas molecule also increases from 1.37 decimeter cube to 1.73 decimeter cube. The last column, which is going to be ratio between volume and temperature, showing the constant values, which shows what? This shows that it proves Charles' law, or you can say that volume and temperature has direct relationship, and this can be proven by this given data. This relationship of temperature and volume can be further explained as when temperature of fixed amount of gas increases, the volume of the gas molecule also increases at constant pressure, which shows the direct relationship between volume and temperature of the gas molecules by keeping pressure and number of moles constant. So this is all about Charles' law. By keeping pressure and number of moles constant, we just study the relationship between volume and temperature, and it is a direct relationship, or you can say that ratio between volume and temperature is always constant in case of Charles' law. Thank you very much. Keep asking questions. Allah Hafiz.